Introducing the brand new Sister Far Out. What's going on, guys? It's Friday afternoon. I've just finished work, heading up to the shop, and my camera battery's low, so I'm going to charge it in a sec. But we're going to be in the shop in a sec, and there's a surprise there. Well, just some new stuff, and I'll show you in a sec. Steve.
Hello.
You're back in the vlog.
Hi, people of YouTube.
What are we here for today? Zach's new workshop tour?
It's probably not clean enough for a workshop tour. No, definitely not. It's a mess.
We're actually here today to display the brand new SUPERSIX EVO. High mod? I should really learn what we're talking about before I say something. High mod?
Yes.
Of course it's a high mod. So it's almost just displayed it. But I'm filming this at like, what time? It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I can't release this until 11 o'clock tonight, which is fine. But this is Zach's new workshop. You haven't seen it in a while, I guess. But basically, this was the extent of it, like this unit and this table. But now we've got all these drawers and stuff. While we're waiting for Zach to clean up his room, let's preview some of these other new bikes that are now in the shop. What's this one, Steve?
This is the all-new 2020 Topstone Carbon Force Axis.
Oh, Force Axis, nice black. Oh, well, let's move on to the next one. What's this one?
Also Topstone.
But
Ultegra
RX2. Mechanical.
So featuring Shimano's new RX group set, so gravel specific, basically mountain bike technology, clutch rear derailleur, so no chain slap, promotes nice positive shifting when you're out on the gravel.
It's a very nice colour as well. It'd be good if this came in the big dog colour.
Well, you could build it in the big dog colour.
Could you build that in store?
Yes, you could buy an Ultegra RX2 and put Force Axis on it if you so chose. Yes.
While we're here and this is in the background, run me through how amazing this bike is to ride. Because I believe this is yours?
Incorrect.
Oh,
Incorrect.
Well, let's mosey on down to the other three that we've got out the back here.
That is one.
So this is yours?
Yes.
Well, let's go back to the one that has the nice backdrop.
Sure.
So basically, V1 has all stock of super slices. What have you got left for the people viewing?
None.
Oh, well, I thought we might be able to sell a bike online here.
No,
but
we bought the remaining 8 bikes in Australia and probably sold the remaining 8 bikes in Australia.
So there's no super slices left in Australia. If you would like to purchase one, you can't. So, soz? Oh, that's it. It's under embargo. Don't look at it. Don't look at it, Zach. Shield your eyes. Zach's back. Alright, so we're going to do it. So Zach hasn't been in the vlog. People who don't know, Zach is the owner, I guess, of the team, Intervello, the team that I ride for, in that, the red kit that I wear. So that Zach is the owner of that.
Actually your boss.
Zach's not my boss.
Technically, I'm a boss. Technically, I own him. It's 2019, can't say that.
Anyway, so yeah, I mean, we haven't seen Zach for ages in the vlog, so yeah, I just had to do that little introduction. This is Zach.
I've been doing triathlons, I've been excommunicated from the bike game.
Zach's actually going to the World Champs for Ironman 70.3.
Yep.
In
Nice,
France.
In
September. How exciting. You excited, Zach? You going to win?
No, I'm not going to win because there's people that are far better than me and train far more than I do. I take it pretty cash, really, to be honest.
You're going to win your age group, though?
No.
You gonna try?
I'll try. Look, I'm not a great slimmer. These arms,
I don't know if it's so much your arms. I feel like it's your hair that weighs you down.
there's not much there. That looks, see, it doesn't actually really get any big at all. It stays it's almost one dimensional.
We're getting off topic.
Okay, we've got off topic.
All right, Zach, show us through your brand new workshop. Show me like, you know, your drawers that you like to use the most, tools that you use the most, and you know what every mechanic should have. Like, let's go like top 10 tools.
Right. So for me, this is all new. Basically, I just had a lot less working space in depth. So now I've got everything in drawers. I still have got heaps of space. I still got to fit that stuff out. I'm not too sure what I want to put there yet. But this is kind of my main drawer where it's got everything. It looks a little bit unorganized, but it's organized chaos, so relax. Always use these guys. You got a 4, 5, and 6 mil on here. And then I've got my little one, 2, 2.5, and 3. I'm always using an 8 mil heaps as well.
I love a good 8 mil.
Love 8 mil. It's such a good size. Tape, scissors, my speed play pedal that I put in to tune bikes or when I'm building new ones. Bursman tie levers. These are neck level.
Shout out to Bursman.
Shout out Bursman, yo. I've got a couple of torque wrenches in here as well, because everyone should use a torque wrench. Tape measure, because I like to see how much I grow and shrink each day. It's fine.
Keep it PG, Zach. Yeah, I mean, it's organized chaos. There's a lot in there. What's this?
It's a chain that I broke the packaging on. I need to find the packaging for that, but I was already in the bin.
Okay.
So we have
The wall.
I use these all the time with a couple of screwdrivers as well.
Mm-hmm.
And then I've got my normal pliers, cable cutters, sharper cable cutters, and then your needle nose pliers, chain whip, as in cool whip.
Why are you saying it that way?
You say whip, and then cool whip, cool whip,
Say cool.
cool
Say whip.
whip, cool whip. Anyway, moving on. So you've got my whip and my Shimano cassette locker, my 15 mil pedal spanner, another heavy duty Shimano lockering tool, as well as the...
I like that one better than that one. I feel like you can just get a lot more leverage on it.
You can. I got 2 of those, because depending on my mood. This one I hit with hammers a bit when people like to use Loctite on their stuff. Don't use Loctite, use grease, it's better. Now this is my lifesaver, this guy. So this is basically a bottom bracket press. So these guys, that's for SRAM dub. Then you've got BB30, GXP, and also Shimano. So all these press basically a bottom bracket in nice and flush together, so that way you never, cock it up when you're pressing stuff in. So these are all different adapters. That's worth its weight in gold. Okay.
They are gold, so
They are gold.
that's pretty cool.
And then for people that really like to tighten up their pedals because they think the pedal's going to spin off, I got this guy. That doesn't really do much use to me because my arm's really small. Steve usually does it.
Just run through the drawers like a MTV Cribs sort of thing.
Alright, so pimp my drawers. So yeah, second up on the drawers we got
Got a heap
the
of...
Duva whackers. You got your guide to cut carbon steerers and seat posts.
all the big Johnsons, really.
All my chisels. This is to actually knock out BB30 cranks. It's really helpful. That's to mark my steerers so I can cut a nice straight line. File. What else have I got? This guy. This guy's great. He does the heavy hitting around here. I call him the Mandingo. I won't get into that. Couple of hammers. What's next? Oh yeah, some more spanners.
That's nice organisation.
flatheads.
Look at that. That's the kind of stuff people want to see on YouTube.
What else have we got in here? Some bar tapes that I've got left over. Oh, my tubular gluing. barrel adjusters. Everyone needs a barrel adjuster on the front derailleur. Please. Miscellaneous bolts. I think these are all empty.
Hey.
Free.
Chains and cassettes.
Chains, cassettes, power meter stuff, DR2 charging things, spare chains.
Well, that pretty much sums up our tour of the room. I guess we better get on to the reason I'm here. Is there anything else you'd like to say?
No. Look, I got all my jobs done for the week. You're welcome. Here's my notes about bottom bracket fittings. It's fine. Yep.
You just like being on camera.
I do. See you, bye.
You close out MTV Cribs. Introducing the brand new SUPERSIX EVO High Mod running Ultegra Di2 disc. It is a completely brand new style of bike, really, coming from Cannondale.
So, ground up redesign for Evo. First time Evo's gone away from what we call traditional geometry. So now we have dropped rear stay, relaxed top tube, shorter seat tube. Taking principles from System 6, adopting it into Evo. So truncated tubing and profiling. Stats are saying up to 30% less drag. In terms of rear triangle, new 27.2mm post. That coupled with the redesign of the rear stays, you're talking 18% more compliance than the outgoing Evo. What else? Integrated knock bar and stem, so using existing System 6 stem, a slightly narrower save system bar, which was due to make its appearance on Synapse a couple of years ago, but is only making its appearance now. All new Knot 45s, specific to Evo as well. 29mm wide up front. I'm not sure whether they're the same width in the rear, I think they are. Cannondale Connect, new sensor on the front wheel. So basically what we have here is David, who is the Cannondale Global Brand Manager, worked in conjunction with Garmin. Basically that is a speed sensor which you can link to the Cannondale Connect app, which then will allow you to track rides a la like Strava, yada yada yada. Also contained in that sensor is ID unique to the bike, so serial number, model number, etc.
Can it be removed?
Yes, it can be.
Okay, so if someone steals the bike, they can still take that off.
Correct. Correct. So, yeah, they're talking a 30-watt advantage over the outgoing Evo at 48 kilometers an hour. For comparison, System 6 was 50 watts at 48k an hour. So you've kind of made that jump into in between System 6 and Evo, whilst keeping all the characteristics of the old Evo. So razor sharp handling, superb descending. Yeah, can't wait to ride it.
Are you riding this tomorrow?
Yeah.
You're so cool, mate. Alright, so basically the system. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I don't know what kind of bike this is. Do I even? So basically the Evo is just completely redesigned. Like it, you know, like mine has all the round tubing and everything, and I love it, but I'm gonna have to make a bit of a decision here. Do I keep the original Evo and preserve it like, you know, a wedding cake, or do I move over the existing Evo and make way for bigger and newer things. What do you reckon, Zach?
I'm excited. If it handles like the current SUPERSIX EVO,
But your disc.
yeah,
And-
but if it handles like or better than the current EVO, it's definitely going to be faster. I think it'll really change the game. I mean, I know my System 6 is ridiculously fast versus my EVO. But yeah, handling wise, that's the big one for EVOs. So, see what happens. We haven't ridden it yet, but
I'm excited.
Pretty keen to.
Steve's going to ride it. Are you excited, Steve? And he's going to ride it up a hill. How exciting. I'm going to be there for the first ride. Oh, I'd hope to be. I'll be upset
Unless
if I'm
it's
not.
raining.
problem is Steve rides down the hill slower than he goes up it, which is pretty slow.
He beat you down Springbrook.
On an e-bike.
On an e-bike.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter going downhill.
He's having a bad day.
Okay. What happened the other day, Zach?
Oh, I broke a rear derailleur because I'm so massive. I pushed 1204 watts for 5 seconds, and actually, yeah, broke my SRAM red. My E-tap rear derailleur, and I got so angry because it was on a really hard bunch ride that I like to ride, and I threw my bike in the gutter in anger. It wasn't very cool. It was pretty cool. You should have seen it. It was a good bike tussle.
These two bikes are Zach's bikes. This is his TT, the Bumblebee. Is it what you call it, Bumblebee?
Yeah,
I mean, how can you not?
it's pretty good.
It's a pretty sick bike. And then he's got his System 6. This was a mechanical Ultegra one. He's converted it to SRAM E-tap. Just original SRAM E-tap, not Axis.
Yeah.
Like them both. Quick summary.
Quick summary. For me, at 69 kilos, sitting on about 43 km an hour in good conditions, I only have to push about 249 watts. Yeah, it's crazy quick, really, really quick. Super stable front end as well. I like this guy. Yeah, for me again, over the previous Evo, well, the current Evo, the new one's coming out. You'll see it soon, maybe. Yeah, the System 6 is just way faster. Way faster. It's just free speed. Seriously, you need to get on them. Great.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Em.
Bye.
See you back.
Okay, bye. Bye.